On this episode, we get a barra.
Never met a girl like you before. You're just like in a song from days of yore.
Jaden,
Yeah.
we've got a lead on a Falcon.
Oh,
You ready to rock and roll?
I'm ready.
Let's go.
Let's go.
And I've never met a girl like you before. Give me just a taste, but I want more. My hands are bleeding and my knees are raw.
Down here, looking at this BA Falcon.
Yep. And we got the seller here, Jason. Hey mate, how you going? Very good. Excellent. So you got the BA Falcon here. Let's have a quick look at him. From this young man here, Jason, about a BA Falcon. He looks like it needs a hood liner. It's okay, maybe we could glue that up. That's pretty good. It's got a little dent on the back of the bar there. There's a BA Falcon, does have alloy wheels. Not too bad. Let's see, we'll start it up and see how good she runs. Have you got the key there, mate? Oh, thank you, buddy. Cheers. What's it do when you're idle? Ah, it's missing the... Here's a barra. Oh yeah, it's got a bit of a miss, hasn't it? There's a wire broken here as well. Yeah, I think someone chopped it there. I'm not sure what that is. Just running a little bit rough. What do you reckon? It's running really rough.
It is.
What do you reckon about the paint? Can you do something with the paint? Or what can we do? Maybe just get a whole new bonnet. If we can't fix the issue, then it's obviously scrap. $800 cash now. $850 done. Sold. Give you cash. Done. All right, I'll get you some money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 50. Sorry, mate, I would have paid you more. Otherwise, it goes to scrap. I'll get 8 extra. Alright, done. Good that. You get anything else, call me. Love your work. I'll get it loaded. What do we got?
We've got a BA Falcon.
What model is it? XR6?
XR6.
Hustling way back when I wasn't from my passion early on, but none of my peers was privy. I had an ego, type of ego, make you win by busting through. Until that ego had me breaking ties with ones I knew. I killed that ego and got money hand in hand, something new. That's that EQ that I learned while using EQ as a tool.
Strap that bad boy down. So Jaden, what are we going to do to this weapon?
So everything on the car is nice and stuff.
Yep.
Got the misfire, but we're just gonna roll with it.
Yep.
We've got a little bit of rust on the hood.
Yep.
On the tip. So that's all right. We can just get some spray
Yep.
paint.
Okay. Get some. We'll get some spray from Super Cheap or something. Yeah.
And then
What
we
else?
have our heat shield manifold. We need to paint that. It's a little bit rusty and needs a little paint. So
Yeah, it doesn't look great, does it?
needs a little bit of love.
All right. I think we need to head off to Super Cheap. Actually, we might go to your pull. Let's see if we can get one first. And we might be able to get a bonnet as well.
Yeah.
If not, we'll just get some paint. and we'll just paint the heat shield and go from there. What else you reckon?
I think that's all it. It's just like, it's really good condition of a car.
Alright, sweet, let's get it done.
We are down here at U-Pull at Gilman. We are trying to look for a BA hood. Let's see if we find one. We are looking for a BA Falcon hood.
Yep. What paint code?
Silver.
Silver, but what's the paint code?
Paint code, what is it?
09?
09.
09. So there's a lot of different silvers on BA Falcons. And I think this is the silver. It's a very light silver. But where's the bonnet?
There's no bonnet.
No bonnet. Alright, let's keep looking.
The one thing we need for this BA Falcon is this heat shield manifold.
Heat shield manifold. Let's get him off.
Level up, level up, level up, level up, level up, level up, level up.
Okay, we stripped the bolt on this manifold. We got all the bolts, but that one is stripped. So we gotta just look for another one. Let's see if we can find another one.
Bro.
So we couldn't find any good ones, any like heat shield manifolds. They were all bad, and we just ripped the screws. They were really tight on. So we're just gonna get some. We're just gonna paint ours. So see how it goes. You can actually afford tire shine this time now. So let's get some.
A contrasting light upon the struggles of those who have not been as fortunate.
Level up, level up, level up, level up, level up, level up, level up.
How are we looking? Beautiful, look at that. Perfect.
Alright, 51.97.
So we're getting some heat shield silver. We're getting some clear. Let's
Do you
go.
have an account or something?
No, it's
Paying
not.
cash for that one. Chuck it on
cash,
trade for you, man. What's the YouTube channel called?
One more flip. One more flip. We got an account? Woo! Sponsored by Repco. No, joking.
So we got our products here right now.
Yep.
The first thing we're going to be doing is painting the manifold, heat shield.
Yep.
Heat shield manifold. It's a bit looking like a little rough, so we're going to paint that, and then after that we're going to paint a bit on the hood a little bit.
Yep.
Give it a bit of love.
Yep.
And then we'll put some, and then for finishing touches, we'll just put some tire shine on it.
Cool, let's do it.
Do it.
What are you doing, mate?
Painting the manifold shield.
Beautiful. Looking good already. Jeez. And that's high temperature paint?
Yes.
Yeah, perfect. That looks a million times better already. Damn.
Damn.
That looks really good. Try not to get some overspray anywhere. Doesn't have to be perfect because it's better. Already looks better than it was. And it's amazing what just that little thing does
Yeah.
to make it look a little bit better. Alright, what's next? We're going to have a crack at the bonnet?
Yeah, we're going to have a crack in the bonnet.
Alright, cool.
Let's get to it. So we got some mixed paint from Super Troop Auto. We're gonna try make it look nice, the bonnet. So we'll see how it goes.
It's coming up alright.
It is.
Hey, it's not perfect, but from a distance, hey, it looks a million times better.
It does.
You know, for $45 with the paint and the clear, I think we got that from Super Cheap. It's come out pretty good. That's just the base coat.
So we got some clear here. We're just gonna put it on the hood, see if it turns out a little bit more better.
Okay.
With that clear.
Yeah, cool. Good plan. give it a bit of a shine, I reckon.
Yeah.
This is not a professional job, this is just a quick, just to make it look a little bit more presentable for the new owner. And we'll fully disclose that we painted it and touched it up, so. Alright, I'll come back to you when you get it done, alright?
Okay. So we've done the bonnet. It's not perfect, it's not the best job, but we're trying to make it look nice for the seller. So we're just taking our time doing it and stuff, so it looks pretty good. And now we're gonna put some tire shine on the tire. Let's go. Here's a little trick with tire shine. You put some tire shine on the plastic parts in the engine bay and it looks brand new. So we'll see how that goes. So we just did the engine bay. It looks brand new. It looks nice, it looks cool.
They say money corrupt everything, I wonder if it's true. So I had to get a bunch of it to see what it could. Hit record, started hustling way back when I wasn't. From my passion early on, but none of my peers was privy. I had an ego type of...
We've got a lot of messages, and apparently we've got a guy coming in the morning at 10:30 to buy it. So we'll check back in with you there and go from there.
The next morning.
Look out, here's trouble 1 and trouble 2 and trouble 3. How are you guys? How are you, mate?
Yeah, alright, yourself?
I'm Dan.
I'm Stephen.
Hey Steve, how you going, mate? We did paint the bonnet, try to.
Yep.
A little bit. My boy did, and he put a bit of paint and a bit of clear on there. We're just going to buy a bonnet. It's $101 from you, pull it.
Yeah, alright, yeah.
If you want a bonnet. But yeah, take it for a drive, whatever you want, man. Drive's really good, actually. Yeah, give that pressure, yeah. What do you think, Steve-O? What are your thoughts? You done? Alright, let's do it. Thank you, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 50. Done. Easy. You're driving.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, buddy.
Appreciate it.
Cheers.
Thank you for your support on the first video. It would mean a lot for us. Hope you like the second one. Second one's going to be very good. Very good.
Yeah, we definitely had some success in this video. Obviously, as you know, we picked up a BA XR6 from Jason, and we ripped it home, did some stuff on it. What did we do? We painted the hood, we painted the manifold shield, we gave it a quick little wipe over. It was a quick flip, this one. So we advertised it for $22.50 just to give someone a little bit of a bargain. We ended up getting $19.50 as you saw in the video. So that gives us a total, so the car cost us $850. We spent $100 on the paint, the clear, the heat shield, paint, and tyre shine. We got tyre shine, yeah? We got tyre shine, Jaden.
Yes.
Yes. So that left us with $350. Obviously the $100 gone for the materials, so we had $250. So what's that? $1950, $2,200 we've got now. So let's see what we can get in the next episode. These are all filmed, as you may not know. The first episode was filmed and edited and dropped on the same day. Today, this one here is taking us a few more extra days to get through, and we just don't have a schedule obviously at this stage because we just don't know when we're going to get the next car. So we could drop another video in 3 days, we could drop another video in 14 days. But look, we really appreciate your continued support. And if you do want to like and subscribe, go for it. I know I said in the last video, don't worry about it, but it seems to be people like this sort of stuff. So we'll continue to make content if you love it. Thank you guys. See ya. Bye.
Yeah. This episode, we get a Mustang.
I don't think so, buddy.
What are we going to do to this car? Hang on.
We are here at You Pull It, Gilmet.
Never